Singapore is sending its largest contingent for this Asian game. We have 431 athletes competing in 32 games. The games that we are participating in include athletics, archery, badminton, swimming, aquatics, and also table tennis, just to name a few. China actually, hosted many major games. For example, 2008 Summer Olympic, 2022 Winter Olympics, 2014 Nanjing Youth Olympic, and the recent one, World Uni Game 2023. So definitely China is very experienced in organizing all these big events. I'm very sure this Hangzhou Asian Game will be yet another good one. I hope the athletes will make the best of their experience in this Hangzhou game, be a very good role model in flying the Singapore flag high, return home safely, and have a successful campaign. And also want to thank Olympic Council of Asia, Hangzhou Asian Game Organizing Committee, and also people in Hangzhou, for putting everything together for the games for us. So I wish everyone at the game success.